Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. I am a Gel Moment independent distributor. How's everybody doing today? So today I thought we'd cover a little fun Valentine's design. And you know what? And this can actually be used at any time of year because you can eliminate the hearts if you like. But yeah, I just thought I would cover something fun for this year. I am using I Pink You as a base here. I have I'm Glistening here, which is a sheer gray that has multicolored sparkles in there. It is just gloriously gorgeous. And what I'm going to do here is use the short striper brush to create some lines. So let's get right to it. Okay, first let's coat all the bristles of our brush, and we want to apply a light pressure because if the harder the pressure that you press with this brush, the thicker your line is going to be. I want to create a thin line at the beginning. So I'm just going to do a little swoop. And that's about it. So because this polish is a bit sheer, I'm probably going to retrace these lines afterwards with a second coat. So now the next one, I'm going to do another swoop, but I'm going to do an outline of a swoop because I'm going to fill that in afterwards with this same brush. So now take this brush and we're going to fill it in. Okay, and we'll do one more swoop line over here. Okay, we'll give this a full cure, and then when we're done, we're just going to retrace our lines just to make that gray pop a little bit more. Now let's just retrace this middle part here just to give it a bit more standout properties. Next, we're going to do the hearts, and we have some dotting tools here. I'm going to use a medium-sized dotting tool to put some hearts on here, and then use a smaller dotting tool, this one right here, to draw the 2 points together. So you can use a ballpoint pen if you don't have a dotting tool. Use a toothpick. Toothpicks can be a little bit trickier, but it can be done. So I'm just putting the dotting tool into the Raven's Kiss here. I'm going to overlap on the line and put one large dot there, and then another one beside it. Okay, now I'm going to take this really small dotting tool to draw this two together to create the point of the heart, and then just tap and fill it in. There you go. Simple little heart. So we're going to do the same thing. You know what? I'm going to give this a flash cure because I just don't want it to run and I want it to hold its shape. So let's do that for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to continue on with the hearts using, because I want to create different size hearts. So I'm going to now go down a size in the dots and create another heart, say right about here. Now switching it up to the white. So I just have a cleanser pad off to the side. I'm making sure that I'm cleaning my dotting tools in between so I don't transfer the Raven's Kiss into the white polish that I have here. So let's put some white hearts over here. Okay, so I think I'm done with the hearts, and now I just want to put some random white and Raven's Kiss. So white and black dots just randomly around the nail. Okay, so now that this nail is pretty much done, it does have raised polish sections because we did the lines, then we did some hearts on top of the lines. I don't like the bumpy look, so I'm going to put a coat of Clearly Frisky on. You can alternatively use a coat of Gel Extend if you prefer that, and just coat the entire nail. And then we will see what we come up for design on the other finger. All right, so for this next finger, I have a plan. We'll see if it works out. I'm going to mix a little bit of our black stamping gel with Raven's Kiss, and the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm using the design that I want to do has more of a fine line, and I don't want it to run because our polish does such a fabulous job of self-leveling. I don't want it to self-level and blend in. I want nice crisp lines. So I find that the stamping gel mixed in with a little bit of Raven's Kiss does a wonderful job, and then it just kind of keeps the polish right in place. Okay, my plan for this finger is to write the word love cursively. Nothing like a challenge, right? So we're going to start at the bottom, make the start of our loop, and then I'm going to join that and come down. So the trick to writing cursive with the polish is to do it in sections. I know with a pen you just write woo 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 woo. It's not like that with a brush. You have to manipulate the brush so that it's going to work for you. So the next one is the letter O. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. And we'll do the V. And then the E. Not bad. So let's give that a full cure. Okay, now that that's dry, we can play around with the rest of the nail. So let's put a couple of accentuating hearts on here. You can choose white, black, whichever one. I'm going to stick with white, I think, up here. Maybe I'll put a little black one on there. Cute. Let's give that a cure. And then after this, I'm just going to put a coat of Clearly Frisky on and we're done. So what do you think about that for a Valentine's Day look? I love it. I think it's cute. I'm really liking the way that I did the cursive. That's the first time I wrote this letter, or sorry, first time that I wrote this word. Not bad. I'm going to keep doing the cursive thing and testing it out and practicing. Practice makes perfect. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever my next videos come out. All right. Ciao, ciao for now.